Hello all, my name is Akash. If you are tired of continuously doing the MATLAB coding, then let's have some fun with our new video on fun and exciting commands in MATLAB part 2. In this video, I will be sharing few more exciting and new commands with you that are inbuilt in MATLAB software. To run these commands, I am using 2021A version of MATLAB. Some of these commands are version specific, so do check your version of MATLAB to successfully run these commands. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first command here is XP quad. This opens up a super quadrics model. You can change the shape of this model as per your requirement by increasing or decreasing the roundness here. Second command is trans demo. This opens up the transparent 3D model of Earth. You can zoom in, out and rotate the model from here. Next command, teapot demo, shows the 3D model of teapot. You can change various parameters of this pot from here. The lighting, color by wireframe. You can make it transparent. You can make it show edges. You can rotate the model and also open up this lid from here. Next command, plays the sound of a Chinese gong. You have to use this command in this syntax only. You can also play train horn by replacing the gong with the train. Moving on to the fifth command, that is cruller. This shows a twisted colorful 3D model. Sixth command is truss. This opens up the bending truss model of a bridge. Press start. You can change the bending modes from this drop down menu. Stop. The next command is tax demo. This command allows you to calculate the tax on your income. Syntax for this function is tax demo into bracket whichever amount you want to calculate. The tax is calculated as per the US standards and is displayed in the command window here. The next command is ballad. This shows you the graphical trajectory of a bouncing ball. Moving further, next command is sfarm2. This shows you the 3D mesh model which you can zoom in out from these menus. Next command is story4. Here a 3D model of unknotted Tory is shown. You can also zoom in, out and rotate this model. Now we will play some exciting games in MATLAB. Let's start with a sliding puzzle game. Type 15 in the command window and you can start playing this game. If you don't know how to play this game, you can take help from here. Next command is Lorentz. This opens up the Lorentz chaotic attractor. Press start and you can enjoy this model. The next game is tic-tac-toe, usually played across all over the world. Just type sf_tic-tac-flow in command window and you will see this window opened up in Simulink. Click on run and now you can play this game. If any one of these commands is not working in your system, please check for the correct syntax of the commands and also the version of MATLAB you are using. So by using this last command of exit, we will close the MATLAB software and end up our video here. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing!